gentlemen, welcome to Real Talk with RTX. I'm Rusty Ruby, and this is Ricky Hux, and we're here to talk to you about a June 24 market update. This is something we hope to do on a monthly basis, and we're compiling data from MLS through the Texas A&M Real Estate Research Center, which grabs MLS data from the DFW, San Antonio, Austin, and Houston markets. And we put this information into a detailed spreadsheet, and just wanted to highlight a few things that we're seeing in the market as it relates to days on market, inventory, availability, price per square foot, et cetera. So I'm going to hand it off to Rick and have him go through a little bit of a summary of what he concluded after reviewing the data in detail.
Yeah, thanks, Russ. So for those four markets that Rusty mentioned, Austin, Dallas, San Antonio, and Houston, those four markets is kind of what we monitor. And we've been monitoring that for the last 15 months of data is what we're presenting. So over the last 15 months, for all four markets are having more active listings than they have been, and they keep increasing since the beginning of monitoring this in the last 15 months, and they're at a new high in June. Relatedly, they also have 4 months of, not 4 months, but the highest level of inventory as well, which indicates a sluggish market. Not surprisingly, the average price per square foot has also declined, compared to the prior month in May, as well as the number of units being sold in June declined, which, this is typically the peak selling season. You would expect historically, if you look at things historically, that sales are going to go up in the month of June, and prices should be, supply and demand, more demand than supply in June in the selling season. So we've had a little sluggish month here in June. Overall, the market activity has decreased in the month of June, but 1 month doesn't make a trend. Both Rusty and I believe that once these mortgage rates drop at least 50 basis points, the market should stabilize. And heck, who knows? We're not the best predictors, but hopefully it'll stabilize and go up from here. But yeah, June was a slow month, slower than anticipated. And that's really it for the four major areas of Texas. Anything else there, Russ, on June?
Yeah, I just wanted to elaborate on the whole interest rate. That's really what seems to be the point of concern for not only new buyers waiting for the rates to drop. They're hearing in the media that hopefully it will be dropping sometime in 24. But I think it's also the interest rate as it relates to these potential sellers out there might be resisting selling because they might have purchased or refinanced at the lowest point of interest rates in 2020, 2021, and early 2022. So they're holding on to those properties, not wanting to sell if they don't have to. So
yeah.
Anyway, well, that's our brief update. Would encourage you, if you want to see the detailed data, just go to our website at rtx.capital, view our articles, and you can drill down to the very detailed spreadsheets for each of the markets and peruse that to your heart's content. So
until next time.
Until next time, if you have any questions about potential needing funding on any of your fix and flip projects or fix and rent, we'd be happy to entertain a discussion with you. Again, until next time, we'll see you. Thank you.
Thanks.